Going to New York City, peeps. Christmas in New York. How's it going, y'all? My name's Lincoln Riddle and I'm a travel blogger. So if you're new here, hit subscribe to become a Lincolnator. Welcome back to another exciting edition of Gas Prices with Lincoln. Today, we're in New Jersey, where you can't pump your own gas. Gas prices are running $2.57 a gallon cash, $2.67 credit. What are those prices like in your neck of the woods? You know what's a ripoff? Driving into Manhattan from New Jersey. The tolls are a whopping 15 bucks. I know at the time I'm posting this video, it's late January, and this video is obviously about Christmas time in New York City, but if you're thinking about going to New York City or even in the future, this video has a ton of value. So anyways, for this trip, we're staying in the Lower East Side for the very first time, and we're also staying at a Hotel Indigo for the first time.
I just gotta check in.
Sure. What's the last name?
Riddle.
Room tour.
Upon entering the room, you've got these nice wooden floors. The bed area is back there, closet right here, and to the left, an absolutely lovely bathroom. Nice tile floors, a great vanity to boot, and tons of mirrors. Look at this, people. Let's be honest. This is where the beauty happens. And of course, we cannot forget the shower area, which is a full stand-up, and boy, does that look nice with the rain head. Heading back out into the main area of the room, of course, like I said, you have a closet right here. And then going into the room, you can see the wood floors stay consistent throughout. Very nicely styled room, at least to me. I love the theming. You do get a mini bar right here. We will not be touching any of this because it's too darn expensive. Of course, you get a desk to get your work done. A nice little seating area, and then of course, one holly to boot.
Because we got in late, we decided to eat at a restaurant right across the street from the hotel called Sweet Chick. I highly recommend this place. Great chicken and waffles. Well, we have gotten a really late start this morning. It is like noon now. I absolutely hate doing that because the sun goes down in the northeast at like 4:30 in the middle of the winter, and of course it's December. We're gonna go ice skating, we're gonna check out the Rockefeller Center. It's Christmas in New York. Can it get any better than that?
No.
No! Alright, we've made our way down to Pier 17. Holly tells me there's an ice skating rink here on the rooftop of this building. Holly, between our rentals and our locker, it's gonna cost 61 bucks.
Yes.
It's not worth it. On top of the $61 charge, the rink is absolutely tiny, especially for the amount of people on it.
I like how I fell down as soon as I got on it. It took no time at all.
Yeah. Well, at least the view is pretty. That's about.
Good. That's why you come here. The view is good. That's why I picked it.
The view truly is incredible, and because of that, it is pretty cool. Even for the crazy price tag, it's worth doing once.
And there's Holly over here clinging to a pole. This is all we got because I keep getting yelled at about my phone. Look, guys, Holly's in the middle of the rink. She did it. She's scared. Oh, God. You got it.
Yay, Holly! You're doing it!
It's very scary.
What?
It's very scary.
We haven't been skating since. We're now headed to Rockefeller Center to check out the lights up there, but it is absolutely frigid this evening, much colder than it was last night. Holly, you know one thing I really love about the New York City subway? I love the smell of urine. It smells like a fresh golden shower in here.
Crowds are off the chain in NYC tonight. Holly, how do you rate the crowd?
It's a 4 on the Holly Jolly scale.
With all of the lights, New York City at Christmas time, it's pretty magical. It's a great time to visit. Just know the crowds around the tourist areas at night will be very thick.
Okay, so this gets an 8 on the Holly Jolly scale. The ornaments in Radio City, it gets a 2-point deduction for crowds.
Man down! Man down!
By Fighting through these crowds is exhausting. Isn't it, Holly?
It's terrible.
We're down at Saks Fifth Avenue. They do like a show on the side of their building with like a crap ton of lights. It's actually really cool. It's at the music too. For those interested, I'm gonna let this whole thing play. If you're not interested and you want to skip ahead, I totally understand. So go to this timestamp. How was it, Holly?
10 out of 10 on the Holly Jolly scale.
Well, we're back in the subway station now. We were gonna go to Times Square, but there's so many people down there. It's just crazy packed. So going back to the hotel, gonna eat dinner, wrap it up.
Guys, we're at a place called Black Tap, and they have these crazy milkshakes. Look at the size of that thing. Goodbye, Hotel Indigo, Lower East Side.
One thing to note about the Hotel Indigo here in the Lower East Side, they charge a $20 resort fee daily. Resort fees are stupid, and it's a shame they're coming to New York City, but what can you do? So it's 40 bucks for 2 nights. Yeah, my mindset on that will never change. If you need the extra 20 bucks, include it in the room rate. It's just absurd. It's like how cell phone companies tack on those stupid network access charges. How dumb is it that you have to pay 20 to 30 bucks to access your cell phone carrier's network? It's totally bogus. All right, rant over. This video is made possible by my patrons. Become a patron today for exclusive content by using the link in the description.
Yeah.